right, everybody, meet Miss Molly. Yes, Molly's about a 4-year-old pit bull mix. As you can see, she's a sweet, sweet girl. Molly would love to be your one and only pet. She just prefers all the attention on her. If there's children in the home, we would prefer that they're about 13 or older and respectful of dogs. Molly's a little bit on the shy side when she first meets you. Kind of like some of us are when we first meet new people. But she does come out of her shell. She's a happy, gentle girl. She loves going for her walks, loves getting pets. Molly is a trickster, though. She is able to climb chain link fences. So her new home, we're hoping, has a very, very secure fence. Preferably not chain link, as she just sees it as a ladder, and she climbs right over it and flips her body over the top and climbs right back down. As you can see, Molly loves getting attention, getting her pets and lots of love. Molly would also do wonderfully, again, in a basic manners class.